Welcome! In this 5-minute lesson, we'll learn how to add 3-digit numbers. First, we'll add 2 3-digit numbers, and then we'll extend the same idea to add 3 3-digit numbers. Let's start with 2 numbers, 487 plus 356. We'll align them in columns by hundreds, tens, and ones. Notice we have 3 columns, hundreds, tens, and ones. We always add column by column, starting with the ones column on the right. Add the ones. 7 plus 6 equals 13. We write down 3 in the ones place and carry 1 to the tens column. Now, the tens column. 8 plus 5 plus the carried 1 equals 14. Write down 4 and carry 1 to the hundreds column. Finally, the hundreds. For plus 3 plus the carried 1 equals 8. We write 8 in the hundreds place. So the sum is 843. Now let's add 3 3-digit numbers, 275, 486, and 349. We'll use the same column method. Ones, then tens, then hundreds. Ones column first. 5 plus 6 plus 9 equals 20. We write down 0 and carry 2 to the tens. Next, the tens column. 7 plus 8 plus 4 plus the carried 2 equals 21. We write down 1 and carry 2 to the hundreds column. Finally, the hundreds. 2 plus 4 plus 3 plus the carried 2 equals 11. We write down 1 in the hundreds place, and the leftmost 1 becomes the thousands digit. So the final sum is 1110. Summary. Always align numbers by place value, add from the rightmost column moving left, write the digit, and carry any extra to the next column. The same steps work whether you have 2 numbers or 3 numbers. Practice a few examples, and you'll get fast.